I think she failed the first gank or something in mid. It is what it is, though. Do 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 do. Only Jax can engage in more single target. I mean, yeah, I think we have to play like if I engage, then Twitch is even less peel. But yeah, I don't know. I can't also really just dive in because they just cleanse with Milio E or Milio ult if I stun, and Milio can also just prevent my engage. Well, let's see. Let's see if my final game I can go at least neutral for the day, because we're now actually in the negative. Let's see if we can at least go neutral. Yeah, 4.5 hours of being, or for negative. Let's go. Yeah. I don't think I played that bad today, though, to be honest. Like, that game, sure, I gave that away up, like, my lead, but I think overall I played today pretty decent. So. Do, 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 do.